Okay guys, so I'm here with a little hidden, lesser known feature of the Carnival Breeze. And we are on deck 6, as far forward on deck 6 on the even side rooms as you can possibly get. And did you know that at the forward portion of the ship on several decks, you can actually access a secluded little area with a view of the front? Now, the Carnival Breeze does not have a helipad, so there's nowhere like a big main entrance that you can go out on the front of the ship. So there are a few of these little hidden spots that you can get to and have a view of the front of the ship. So before I take you on this first hidden secret of the Carnival Breeze, welcome back to Grateful Living Cruises. Thank you for joining us. If you like these kind of videos, please like it and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, or, do all the things. Do your big one for me. It really helps the channel. It helps me to grow my newly developed channel so that I can continue more of these. So let's go. So deck 6, all the way forward on the even side of the ship. You're gonna go through this door with the little round hole, and you're gonna watch your steps, and then we're gonna come out, and then you're gonna watch your step again because there's a big lip here. So be careful. And then look, here we are. A hidden little area. And we are on the front of the ship, guys. They even have a bench here. And it says the Carnival Breeze. So this is a great spot to see the stars, to get away. And there are several decks that have them. I'll even show you a little bit how to get on top of where the captain's deck is. So there you go. There's one little hidden secret about the Carnival Breeze. At nighttime, this is wonderful, but it's very dark, so beware. It takes a while for your eyes to adjust when you first come out. So there are several more of these, and I will show you all of them. Okay, you guys, so deck 7, same thing, all the way forward, even side, except for this time, we have to take a left at the end of the hallway, and you'll see the little hidden door again. Let's check out this one. Again, watch your steps. All right. Here we go. Now, from 6 and 7, we could have came up right here. Sometimes they have these blocked off depending on what floor, but again, we have benches. We have the front of the ship. Now right above us here on 8 is the captain's deck. They have their binoculars out, they're looking. So you guys, literally from here, you have the same vantage point, if not a little better, even than the captain does. Now, I have been entering all of these from the even side, but you can enter from the odd side as well. I'm just trying to make it easy. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to go back and we want to skip the bridge that's on 8, and we want to go to 9 and 10 and see if we can find anything there. Friends, so we are on deck 9. We're on the even side and we're all the way forward. We have another hidden secret. I'm the only one that's like super entertained by these. The step up on this one is not as bad. Okay, guys, guess what? We are directly on top of the bridge. So we're right on top of the captain. And the fun thing about this one, so deck 9 forward, the fun thing about this is that because we're on top of the bridge, it has the little, so you know the bridge goes out of the ship. So now, because we're here, we have that vantage point as well. So we can now see, just like the captain can, what's going on the side of the ship. Beautiful. I never see anyone up here. If you want to come stargaze at night, you literally have the same view as the captain does. So again, this is deck 9. Deck 9 forward, the front of the ship. And again, it does also wrap all the way around. Again, you don't see anybody here. So amazing. At nighttime, the breeze is not, it's really hot right now, but yeah, see, we're literally all the way on the edge. We can see what the captain sees. So cool, right? I nerd out on these little hidden things. Now, deck 5 supposedly has a deck that goes all the way around, but it's been closed off the front portion every day I've been here. So I don't know. I'll have to do some research to see about that. But basically we can continue. These stairs will take us up to 10. Where we have another similar setup, except for you'll notice now that we're on 10, great view though. See, that's where we were earlier, because that's the bridge that we were standing on top of. So we were literally right there looking over because we were on the top of the bridge. So yeah, these are some amazing little hidden secrets. You to come, escape the crowds, enjoy the stars. Yeah, and just have somewhere different to go. Once again, oh y'all, I'm getting out of breath. Now we are on deck 11. Ooh, and it kind of stinks up here, y'all. There's a chemical dispensing station there. You know what that means. All right, deck 11. Yeah, it stinks there. Don't book a room on the forward part of deck 11. All right, guys. So this is going to be our last stop. It's a little bit louder up here because we're getting more to where all the equipment and etc. are located. But I just wanted you guys to see all of these spots because Oftentimes we go on a cruise and we just kind of go where everybody is and we don't explore. And to me, the fun part is exploring where no one else goes, right? So I hope you guys enjoy these little, oh, come ahead. Thank you. I hope you guys enjoy these little, you know, they may not be secrets or hidden, but a lot of people don't know about them. So they kind of are hidden gems and hidden secrets and such. So, oh, I didn't even know this. So in the middle of deck 11 is an entrance to the spa. So this is probably like the spa suites or the spa deck. That would make sense. Anyway, I'm gonna find some other unique things to show you in the rest of this clip, but that will help you if you're looking for a place to stargaze, or you're looking for a place to just get away, or at nighttime if you want a cool breeze on your face.